So here we really take the time to get to know each other's approaches, each other's backgrounds, each other's national approaches by governments.
But being here has been really good to know that there are still innovations happening, there are new things coming, new best practices that we can bring home to our members at SEMI, bring to our other European projects, and continue to grow this ecosystem.
I think from the science community or the research community, we can definitely contribute to an evidence-based approach to this ecosystem in order to further enhance the results. That would be amazing to further collaborate on that part.
And of course in Brussels there's a lot of things going on as well with the STEM strategic education plan at the moment.
This very vibrant European STEM community behind at such meetings. So I learned a lot and I will take with me a lot of inspiration also for my own work.
And if you think, hey, this is interesting and I want to join and I can exchange information and I want to learn from others, then we are welcoming them then for the next General Assembly, which will be in the second half of 2025.